Hello and welcome back to the By Desert Driving Etiquettes and Techniques. This is your host Raimdad, and today I bring to you a drive which will end with a barbecue. Oh, with this humidity, I don't know why. But stay tuned, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back. This is Taj from Desert Lions Off-Road Academy, and today we have a drive, as Rahim Dad already told you, is a burger night drive. And our trip today is going to start from 2nd December, the opposite side. We'll be taking a track and going all the way across the desert towards the plains to the other side, which will be near fire. We will be stopping there and setting up camp for the barbecue. So stay tuned and follow the drive. Thank you.
So here we are again. What track is that? So with somebody.
कौन सी गाड़ी ये तो आगे का जो बने हुए हैं ना इनके जरिए उसके लिए ये बनाया हुआ रोड है
Yeah, this is for actually the farms, right?
फार्म फार्म नाइस स्मूथ ट्रैक
So far.
उस तरफ उतर
नहीं था पहले वो था there was a way but that way
दोनों तरफ जो है वो खुले हुए
बड़ी आगे दंग दंग रिंग दंग दंग है ना
ये रहा है
तो आप सही बोल रहे हो अंगीठी मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ
नहीं सिगड़ी ये भी वो आपकी वो कौन सी जुबान है गुजरात नहीं गुजरात
निमन
यमन हाँ यमन
निमन नीमन
मीमोन
नीमन
फाइंडिंग मीमो
नीमन like minion
हाँ these trains are nice fast pace कमाल की होती है
Yeah, these are fantastic tracks and absolutely joyous to drive on, especially after having like jungle in every drive.
oh yeah
These are like open tracks
correct
and really yes.
if Hussein was here he would hold the tracks
Hussein will be doing two-wheel drive only. He will not go in four-wheel. Hussein lucky and to be lead.
आपने शीशे खोला वो what that
Beautiful.
beautiful
Trees in jungle starting. Look at this. Beautiful. In the good old days, the big fall used to near the big fall we used to have opposite fire. Big fall area, there were some nice dunes to explore.
Right. I feel like we're turning,
Huh? Back to what? The other day also you felt like it, but it's not so. This is a one-way rally track.
Yeah.
You will come out somewhere close to the big fall. This is the longest you've driven without the
Without any.
bushes
Yeah.
in the past few weeks.
Hello, hi. We reached. See, its name Big Fall. Our party start. You want to see? See, see. Uh, this one is Shadi Bhai. This one is Nizar Bhai.
उनको
And
दूर से क्या नजर आ रहा है?
and this is guess.
This is Mota Bhai.
The
The horse.
host and ghost.
Host and ghost.
See the view.
Hello.
Hi. You are enjoying?
No,
Why?
because I'm busy.
You are busy. Okay.
You can take water from here.
Professional. Extra. This is Chef Nizar making his specialty. Desert Lions Off-Road Academy burger. Sohar is a city in Oman, right? And if you make it Shohar in Urdu, Shohar means husband. Hi. Yummy looking
Yeah.
pieces of meat. This is meat or beef? Beef. You mean opposite side like this?
Burger party.
Inshallah, by August, I'm expecting we should have more people. August.
August end.
Because now a lot of people gone on vacation. They will come back. They will come back. Schools will be open. Yeah, but weather will become better. But the people that you are targeting, they are active. They do food chat or whatever.
This is kebab. Now we put cheese on it. Looking very tasty and yummy. Onion. This is kebab. This is cheese. Cheese kebab.
Not big kebab. Burger, hamburger.
Cheese. Cheeseburger.
Hamburger. Hamburger.
Hamburger.
This is half half. Half half. Hamburger. Hamburger. Half half. Hamburger.
What do you want me to do? Tell me. Open the. The exclusive Desert Lions burger, beef burger.
Zabardast. Awesome.
And it's in Urdu called Zabardast,
Awesome.
English awesome. We invited you guys, so if you have missed it, that's your choice.
So thank you Nazar bhai, thank you Shadi bhai. Great party. Really enjoyed the party time. It was one of the best burgers I ever had. Better than Burger King, better than McDonald's. This is where you come to have your burgers now.
No, no, you cannot compare. You cannot compare.
You-
I am here, they are here.
yeah, exactly.
And this is
So-
a beginning only. And we'll see you, inshallah, when the season starts with the more and more barbecue.
No, absolutely. I'm also dying to share my mom's secret green chutney recipe with you for the chicken. So, but yeah, weather is better than it will be more pleasure to eat it. Humidity, but we didn't feel it on the drive. The drive was fantastic. It was quick. We headed in two different directions. Finally, we reached here, the big fall. Amazing. The company is amazing. The weather is not as blessed as last time. What do you think, Nizar bhai?
Uh, yeah, we cannot. The weather is very like heavy today.
Yeah,
Humidity very high,
yeah,
but same. But we enjoy.
yeah.
We enjoy with you because you are here.
Of course, we all enjoy together. One is missing, we will not enjoy. So, guys, really missed it. Shadi, few comments from you.
So I will not comment on the weather. They can see us how we are sweating. Drive was amazing. It's like straightforward, quick, fast. Then really the most important is this friendly moment that we spend together. You know, preparing our food, sitting together, chatting, etc. So this is always a plus that we are having in each drive. Otherwise, you miss something, guys. I hope that you will join us soon, right? And let's have this friendly moment all together and become, more and more friends. So that's it.
Thank you very much. Yeah, as Shadi said, we had fun, but you guys know very well, desert is not something which is like a park. It's a harsh environment and a very risky sport, which we do it in a way that it sounds and looks fun. And that's what we have a motive and a goal to teach you guys as well. So yes, being a part of these drives that we basically hold is very important for you to understand and learn things. As far as today's drive is concerned, I have fallen in love with these burgers. And yes, again, it was a pleasure. Thank you very much. Nizar has done a great job. There's no words that I can explain. In fact, I'm not a burger lover, but I have fallen in love with these burgers. And definitely would look forward to have many more these kind of drives in the future. And you are looking forward to a lot of fun. Thank you very much.
Bye.
That
And
was
so,
nice.
with that, all I want to say is stay tuned, do subscribe, do share, like, and I'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Good night, sweet dreams.